let's go for a little ride around the housing estate. Sit comfortably, stretch your legs, turn the volume up, and listen to my favorite song. Wait until it all gets going. Don't leave early, you definitely won't be bored. And if you like the video, help me reach 10,000 subscribers this year. Watch the video until the end. The ride is definitely worth it.